Hi, what's up, Cardano holders? Can really Cardano will make you a millionaire, my brother, especially, and the current condition is going to be very critical now. All currencies fails down, and absolutely the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days change occurring millionaire negative now. So therefore, my brother, this is very important to you understand. Can they will give you a profit? They will make you a millionaire or not? Let me start this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, my friends, we need a prediction. Absolutely, if we predicate this coin, so exactly we completely understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they will move upward or not. So first of all, as you can see, my friend, I already opened it the last 7 days chart, and this chart is gonna completely show you, my brothers, to this coin is falls down and they are lost now. So what you say, my friend, if they are losing continuously, so it's mean, my brothers, to all crypto market is dumbs down and holder are starting selling. So therefore, my brother, I will tell you to, if I predicate this coin exactly, you better understand, my brother, and you invest for a long time or short time, and absolutely you take a decision to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So this time the chain occur minus 12.81% fails down, and as you can see here, so the arrows is fails down here, but again they will take a jump after a fail. They will take a jump. So exactly, my friend, at the last moment, if you can see, my friend, the arrows absolutely exactly, my friend, take a very huge jump now and moving upward now. So therefore, Cardano, it's a Cardano holder. It's mean to Cardano will moving upward in upcoming time. So we need to hold it. We need to hold it, and absolutely, definitely, we need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope at the end of month, especially, I know, my brother, at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving, and the moon, my brother, and moving very fastly upward now. So therefore, I know to upcoming time Cardano will give you a good profit, so we need to hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. My advice, this is not a financial video, I just give you advice and what's my opinion. My advice is that, my brothers, to please hold it, and my opinion is please, my friend, hold it. So thanks for watching. Please hold and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.